Look,
Yeah.
y'all getting some value out of this underwriting video. If you want to learn how to be a master at underwriting, like Elridge and I, join our community, and there's a course in there for you to master underwriting. What you
All
think?
right.
Is a good course or what? Or
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. If you enjoy these
if
videos,
you like
you-
us, if you
yeah,
like us, you're gonna like the video.
exactly. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
even if you don't like us, go ahead and subscribe anyway.
All right. The subject property is 3400 Hyman Place, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70131. What is the total living square footage? It's 8,174 square feet. That's a big property.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
is that real?
Yeah, I don't
81 square
it don't
feet?
seem right. It don't seem right at all. So
Yeah.
how many bedrooms and bathrooms? Zero. Single family property. Estimated current value is 271.
Wait, they said that was a single family property?
Yeah. This got to be
We
a
might not be the
mansion.
right lender for this person.
Yeah.
All right,
All
keep
right.
going.
So 325 ARV. That's it. Loan amount requested 100K. All right. Update kitchen bads, windows, floors, doors, fresh paint. All right. Payout loan within the year. All right.
So
All
they're
right.
not doing anything to this. Go to that photo thing because I want to see. Let's see what that document is. If that's even worth um looking. I'm just curious because at 8,100 square feet on Hyman Place in Algiers, that's kind of loud. It's speaking a lot of volume. So I want to see what they got. Yeah,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, that's probably not 8,100 square feet.
Go to the assessor site.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that's not on Hyman.
Yeah. All right.
It's super residential, like 8,100. What they
Oh,
said?
oh, they got the land area. Yeah, the building area is 2911. He put the land area, but still, you're supposed to know the difference.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
I ah, hmm.
yeah. Let's see if the property check out. Let's just do it just to do it, see if the property check out. But right now, the borrower not checking out
At all.
at all.
At all. Like there's 8,100 square feet for a house inside of a neighborhood. Jeez,
Yeah,
that's surrounded by houses on the right, to the left, to the back, to the front, and he in the middle of the neighborhood, 3,400 block. Uh,
yeah,
you could grab all of that.
yeah,
Yeah, that's the one thing I do like about Algiers is their neighborhoods are pretty big.
yeah.
Your streets crossing them.
So the actual square footage is 2,911 square feet. That's the actual square footage.
2911.
2911. All right. So it looked like what did he say this ARV is? His ARV is 325, estimated current value 271, loan amount requested 100K.
Hmm.
And what's the purchase? Man, he don't have
So
anything to
I think,
go by.
look, I'm starting to come to memory. I believe this guy owns this house, and I know he's a contractor. I believe I remember this one,
Okay.
where I did speak to him. Uh, I did speak to him. And he is a contractor. I believe this is his personal residence. If I remember correctly from a few days ago. So, yes, now it's coming to mind. I think I
Okay.
saw it twice. Yes.
Okay. And is it free and clear? Are you just looking for a construction budget, a construction loan, or what?
I believe that's what he's looking for, but I'm not sure if he owns it free and clear. I'd
Okay.
have to. uh clarification as to whether or not if there is an existing mortgage on the property.
Okay. All right.
Um, because if that's the case, that adjusts the loan request amount.
All right. Well, let's just see if his ARV check out, and then we'll just request more information.
Okay, cool.
All right. So he have an ARV of, I think it was like 325. All right,
Mm-hmm.
325. All right. And his property square footage is like 2,900. So you have a
Mm-hmm.
few. This one 2,700. This one 3,200. All right. Those two are around his square footage. And they one sold for 118 a square foot, the other one sold for 111.
That looks nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice
Yeah.
turf field. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Kitchen
don't have,
not updated, but everything else look good.
yeah.
Nice and clean. And how much that sold for? Oh,
The bathroom
eight.
not updated. Yeah, it sold for 382. 382. All right. And this the other one. Yeah, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're not doing major
They're
renovation.
not doing no major renovations over here.
Yeah,
They really whoever got this one did they put minimum in it and it looks, really nice. You could tell they didn't do
yeah,
a good, they didn't over renovate the property. I love when I see stuff where they didn't over renovate. Oh,
I like that.
they probably did though.
Yeah, yeah,
With
you
that
could tell
bathroom.
they put money where they wanted to put money at.
Right, right. Yeah, they did good on the bathrooms.
Yeah. All right. So this one sold for 111 a square foot. That one sold for 118. So if you average that out, that's probably like around 115 or so. So if you
Hmm.
do 115 times our square footage, and what's our square footage is 2911, what that give us?
Might be depend. I don't know. I can't add, y'all. I gotta give me a calculator out here.
Well, that's 334. So he had 325 as his ARV. So yeah,
So it goes to 325.
yeah, the
Well, the 320.
325.
Well, we rock because you said 324. We rocked out 320. So yeah, we
Yeah,
take 5,000 off the
yeah.
deal.
Yeah, so 320, yeah, his ARV checkout. So I guess this is definitely a approval with conditions. We just need to get more information from him.
A lot more information.
A lot more information. Yeah.